So let me show you what's going on here. There was a sewer line in the city of McKinney that crossed this creek. One of those exposed pipes that you see sometimes in a creek bottom. The pipe goes right across, ultimately exposing itself. And with all this recent rain, a tree fell on that sewer line and busted it. Basically, that shut down one of the main sewer lines in McKinney, and McKinney needed to fix it fast. So who'd they call? They called MOS Utilities. And who did MOS Utilities call? They called LC Services. McKinney needed a solution fast, and that's where LC Services stepped in. Within hours, our team was on site with several volumetric trucks, ready to deliver a high early strength mix. Over 3,000 PSI in just 24 hours. This type of job is nearly impossible for the traditional ready mix providers. You see, the problem with the ready mix guys is a high early mix, it just sets up way too fast in their drum, making it unworkable by the time they even get to the job site. But with on-site mixing, our concrete is made fresh, exactly when and where it's needed with zero waste or zero delay. In less than a day, the city had a cured high-strength concrete support system in place, and the sewer line was back online, thanks to MOS Utilities and LC Services. At the end of the day, man, I really want to thank MOS Utilities for giving us an opportunity to bring this product to them. And it just goes to show what these volumetric trucks can do. I'm super excited to get jobs like this because it's just something that not everybody can do. And this was a perfect example.